My name is Joey Seeley. I'm owner of Emotion Engineering in Newport Beach, California. Everything I recommend to the customer is something either I've used or have used in professional racing. Some of my favorite builds and more notable builds go back to my days in professional racing and American Lawn Series, racing with Peterson Motorsports, White Lightning Racing with the 996 RSR. And after that would be Jeff Zwart's 997 Turbo Cup Pikes Peak car that we won Pikes Peak with. Using KW suspension, I won 5 championships running KW, running Brembo brakes or Recaro seats. It's all stuff that is tried and true in professional motorsport for a lot of people, but me in particular. How I recommend, products or services or whatever to a customer is actually starts with an interview, to see what their goals are and see what they're looking for. And I'm not going to tell you, just spend $35,000 in your suspension. I'm going to build the car and recommend what is going to suit you and what you use the car for. Everything I recommend to the customer is something either I've used or have used in professional racing. Using KW suspension, I won 5 championships running KW, running Brembo brakes or Recaro seats. It's all stuff that is tried and true in professional motorsport for a lot of people, but me in particular. It's funny, once I left professional racing, it was all race cars, and then it slowly trickled to solely street cars. But then more and more of them were demanding more track-oriented setup, and then, with Jeff Zwart's Pikes Peak car, that really gave me the itch for motorsport again. I enjoy the challenge, that you don't necessarily get with a customer build. Competing with the best, amongst the best is kind of what I love, and it's towing at me, like it's really trying to get me back in there, and I'm responding.